Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, click the like, comment, subscribe, it's free, and click on the bell notification button so that you can get notified anytime we post a new video. You can also share our video with your friends. Have you heard about the Ouidah festival? If you have heard or been to the festival, you can also leave a comment in the comment section about what you know about the Ouidah festival for others to learn. If you have not yet been to the festival, get your snacks and drinks ready by your side as I'm about to show you the beautiful scenes and tell you more about the festival. Ouidah festival is a voodoo festival, also known as traditional religious day in Benin. Benin is widely regarded as the birthplace of the West African Vodun, popularly known as the Voodoo. If you are traveling in or around the country on January 10th, the one place you should visit is the town of Ouidah for the Ouidah Vodun festival. It is a cultural festival organized by the Fon people, who are a major African ethno-linguistic group. The Voodoo festival is a public holiday celebrated all over the country, beginning with the slaughtering of goats. Ritualistic animal sacrifice is common in Voodoo. The Ouidah festival is filled with singing, dancing, processions, and imbibing of alcohol to honor the history of the religion in West Africa. It's also to pay respect to those whose lives were destroyed by the slave trade. The chief priest at Ouidah is Daagbo, who presides over the festival. He kicks off the main procession after paying respect to the fetish at the Temple of Pythons. The procession takes the route on which slaves are transported from Benin to the west and end at Ouidah Beach, which overlooks the Atlantic Ocean. Various Vodun delegations arrive here to pay tributes to Daagbo and other powerful chief priests. Visitors can spot ceremonial drums, traditional masks, colorful outfits, and jewelries as part of the festival. Other common sights are Zangbetos, Vodun night watchmen whose outfits resemble haystacks, ritual animals, sacrifices, and worshippers dressed as clan spirits. Vodun considers all over creation divines, which explain the use of herbal medicines and everyday objects in rituals. Talismans are sold in some markets and are believed to hold spirits. The talisman may be statue or dried human/animal parts. The spirits within each talisman are believed to perform tasks according to capacity. Voodoo is practiced by majority in Benin and is an official religion that about 45% of the population are tradition worshippers. Christians and Muslim communities also include some elements of the religions in their daily life, since the Fon people also inhabit parts of Togo, Ghana and Nigeria. Thus, circuits often include trips to these neighboring countries as part of the festival experience.